welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to share with you 5 adorable things that you need for the upcoming Valentine's Day.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, hi again, my name is Kenzie. I'm so glad you're here. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel and click the like button on this video, and go ahead and ding-a-ling the little notification bell down there as well, so you will get notified on every other video. And yes, please subscribe because it's free to do so. And let's jump into the first item. So the first one I have here is actually super cute. I'm wearing 2 of the items, and the first one is this ring, and I think this is so cute. Let me zoom in. Here is what the ring looks like. It is a initial ring, and I got mine in an R because my fiance's name starts with an R. And it's so cute. It's gold plated, and it's also adjustable, which is great. So you can make it as big, there we go, or as small as you need to. And it's really comfortable as well. And I think this is just so freaking adorable to show your significant other that you want to, I don't know, wear their initial on your person at all times. I also think they might have this in gold as well. Let me check. Obviously, also, all of these are going to be listed in the description if you want to shop for yourself. Not sponsored or affiliated. I just thought these things were super cute as I was shopping the other day. So, oh no, Cleo. Okay, I'm done. Yes, they do have it in silver as well. So if you are a gold person like moi, they have it in gold. And if you are a silver person like many other people, they have it in silver, and they have every single letter, as I would hope they do. The next item that I have here is actually kind of like a kitchenware, homeware item, but it's still super cute. And it is in these box right here. And if you know me, you know that I am a mug fiend, to quote Sophia Nygaard, or she says lipstick fiend, but I'm a mug fiend. I have so many mugs for no reason. I just love them. And this is what the box looks like. And then here are what the mugs look like. They both look the same, so I'm only gonna pull out one, but they are ceramic and they're such good quality, I swear. So you have this little girl, and she's like knitting a little love scarf. And then the scarf, the little thread goes all the way down. Yeah, and you have the little boy, and he's like got his heart out and he's being knitted. I don't know, it's just so cute. And the other one does look the exact same. I think the only thing that could make this mug better is if the inside was red. I don't know why, I just think that would be so cute. But this is the cutest little mug, and they have multiple different styles to choose from as well. Some of them were sold out on Amazon. Let me see if they come back in stock, because there was one that I really wanted and it was adorable, but it was sold out. So let me see if that's back in stock now. There's actually a lot that's out of stock. Wow, they're very popular, and for a good reason. Oh my god, this one did come back in stock. This is the cutest little thing. I'll put a picture of it right here. It's just adorable. Anyways, those are the 2 mugs. There was one more item in this haul, or like video, but it actually did not get here in time for me to film this video, but it will be coming in the next couple of days, so I will insert the footage. Right now it's such a cute thing, and I really wish it would have come in time, but it's still gonna be here, and you're gonna be able to see it right now. Hello, future Kenzie here, and I did get that item in the mail. It's so freaking cute. Please don't mind my outfit. I was literally about to go to the store, and then I got this from Amazon, and I was like, wait, let me film this part really quick. So here it is. It's the cutest little thing. So if you can see this right here, it is a dog sweater. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I actually got this in an extra small. I was getting it to actually fit our newest puppy named Winston, but I think it's gonna be too big for Winston still, because he's like literally, he's like this big. But I have Kiva here. She is my oldest dog. She's 2, but she's, you know, still technically my oldest dog, and I wanted to actually put it on her and see what it looks like. But it's the cutest little pattern. It's got a heart on it, and this is just screams Valentine's to me. Can I put this on you, my love? She doesn't love clothes, but maybe she'll like this one, I'm hoping. It does fit her actually really well. It fits just fine. Oh my gosh, Kiva, thank you so much for taking one for the team, honey. Thank you so much. I don't think that she really loves this. I thought it was super adorable, so I'm definitely going to, maybe Winston will grow into it, so I'm gonna keep it for him. But I know she doesn't like clothes, so I'm gonna take this off of her. But I just wanted to show what it looked like on. It looks really well made, and I do think that Winston will like it. I did put him in to a harness the other day for the first time, and he didn't hate it. So maybe that means he likes clothes a little more than Kiva. I'm not entirely sure. I had to take it off of her. This is the cutest thing. I'm keeping this for Winston. Hopefully as he gets older. Kiva just can't stand clothes. But I don't care. I really like it. And someone's gonna wear it. I don't know. But anyways, let's move on to past Kenzie so she can continue on with the video. Wasn't that so cute? Oh my god, editing magic. It's like I had to wait a few days for it to arrive and you saw it right now. Anyways, the next item that I have here is actually my shirt that I'm wearing. It is a bodysuit and it is so cute. I know it's black, but listen, it was adorable. Again, they have multiple different options. These sleeves here are like sheer, like kind of puffy sleeves, not too puffy, a little puff, and they have little stars, and it fits so nicely. It has like kind of a scoop neck going on, but it is so freaking cute, and they have loads of different styles of this as well. I actually think that there is one with little hearts on, but I think it was sold out, so I got the stars. And let me just tell you, it is surprisingly comfortable. I was not expecting these sleeves to be very comfy. I thought they were going to be like the itchiest things in the world, but they're not. They're really comfortable. You can barely even feel it on your arms, and it fits super well. And one thing that I love is that it has a 3 clasp thing, because you know it's a bodysuit, so it has a 3 clasp thing instead of like a 2, so it really stays in. I've never had any issues with it like coming undone or anything like that, but I love this little bodysuit. It's the cutest thing, and it does fit really true to size. I am 5'5" for reference, and I am a US small to medium normally, and like a 4 to 6, maybe an 8 in some items, but normally a 4 to 6. And the final item that I had to show you here, and I feel like you've probably already seen this all over Instagram, all over TikTok, because I've been seeing it, and it's this bag. Okay, I love, number one, I love how structured this bag is. It's so fun to handle. You can just like whip it around. I don't know, but it is this adorable little heart bag, little heart clutch. Look at how precious. They have loads of colors. They have this pink one, they have a red one, and a black, I do think. But this is the cutest little thing. It's not going to fit very much. Here's the zipper. It's not going to fit very much in here, but you know, for like a date night on Valentine's, this with your outfit would look so freaking adorable. I've seen a lot of people getting the red one, so I was like, oh, let me be different and get the pink one. But anyways, I think this is the cutest little thing. It's got these little Diamante little decals on it. I'll do like a B-roll, like a close-up. And again, I love how sturdy it is. It wasn't very expensive at all. Definitely affordable for like a cute night out. Not an everyday bag by any means, but still worth it. And I think that it's adorable. It even would probably go really well with this outfit. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. And you can even do it as like a little inside the elbow bag. Oh my god, this is precious. Absolutely precious. And you guys, that has been my 5 Amazon items that I think you totally need for this upcoming Valentine's Day. I feel like it would just make the day that much more sweeter and cuter and more adorable. I don't know, but I really do love all these items. Again, I'll have everything linked in the description, not affiliated or sponsored by any means. I just think they're very cute. But again, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and click the like button and ding-a-ling the little bell down there so that you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. I really hope that you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!